This new Kaffe and Morris collection contains over 32 SKUs for you to choose from. It's got beautiful blues, brights, the Strawberry Thief, which is a really popular pattern, and these beautiful flowers down here that are just so unique and big and beautiful. The next card has wonderful pastels on it in big florals with lots of birds and flowers and leaves all throughout, which would be great for a fun project. And the last card has a more bright palette with pinks and greens and purples that are sure to delight. All of these fabrics come in not only yardage, but we have fat quarters, 10-inch squares, charm packs, and design rolls. Get your favorite pre-cut or yardage here at My Favorite Quilt Store.